Mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Welcome to my channel, Teresita Stoddard. Please subscribe. Today, Ron is driving me to work because he need
for a nuclear stress test.
You said not nuclear, just nuclear stress test.
Right, that's what I said.
So, okay. So, there's Ron. He's driving me. Driving me crazy.
Driving you to drink.
I treat him yesterday to his favorite place, Continental Pizza. It's expensive, but the pizza there.
What is it? $20, something like that.
Yeah, but it's okay. It's my treat. I paid.
Did you finish it off?
No, you brought home the leftover. You will finish it.
Maybe you had it for breakfast.
No, I don't have pizza for breakfast, silly. Yeah, it's so funny. For more than 30 years that we are married.
How about a 7-course meal, a pepperoni and a 6-pack?
I will tell you a story. When we get married, I didn't ask him how much he made, how much money he had. All I know is we will start together. We will do our best to make our life better.
Yes, indeed.
But it was so funny. Now we are going to 35 years. I didn't know that the government is giving me also pension. He didn't tell me, but I didn't ask.
What the heck,
so
Robert?
for me,
you got it now.
You didn't tell me, honey. And
What
from the start,
nobody needs to tell you anything. That's crazy.
I don't know. I said you didn't tell me. I didn't know how much money he makes, how much money he have. But for me, I have my own money.
Right.
As his wife, I didn't ask him for money. No.
Right, because I'm paying for the obligations mostly.
Just lately, before we split everything that we paid.
Right.
And now he wants me to retire. He said he will pay for everything, but still I didn't want to retire. I'm still enjoying my life working.
Right.
So that's what I am. I'm not interested for how much he accumulated when he was single. I'm interested what he accumulate now that we are married. We need to split everything. If I will divorce him, he need to split everything to me. But no, just the house that we bought together, and I'm not interested. Money is money. You will not take it when you die. And I'm not the one that, honey, buy me this, buy me that. No. I'm buying everything in our house that I want to buy. And I'm buying him clothes because I would like for him to dress well. That's all.
Right.
As a wife, I treat him.
Barong Tagalog.
Yeah. He have a lot of barong because I want me and him, we will dress much together for what I wear, for what he wear. I'm not a wife that, honey, buy me this, buy me that, I like this, I like that. No, I'm not, right? I didn't ask you to buy me anything. We didn't watch movies. We watched movie one time. We watched a Coco Martin movie. That's why when we came out from the theater, my friend said, "Oh, you are the one who laughs so loud. It's you." Rose said yes. Because it's comedy.
Yes. Laughter, the best medicine.
Yes. From the start, I'm not interested about what he has. That's just me. My concern is to bring all my children here in this country, and he helped all of us.
Wow.
Yeah. Thank you, God. Thank you, honey, for helping me bringing all my children here.
here we are, democracy.
What he shared to me now with his cup, he shared it with his nice.
Democracy Boulevard. Here we go.
We are having a good life together. I make him happy. Sometimes he make me sad. Sometimes I need to remind him, like yesterday, honey, you don't need to yell at me. I'm your wife. I am the only person that takes care of you. You need to be nice to me. Hindi ko po siya inaaway. Hindi. Sinasabihan ko siya ng maayos. Whoa. Oh my G. You went to the Rumble Strip.
Big deal.
Hindi po ako ang babaeng nangaaway na asawa.
We gotta move before they raise the parking rates. We're not late.
Ayan. Ganyan po ang ugali ko.
Sweetie?
Yeah, honey.
We're not late.
I know. Thank you so much. Julia will be happy.
Thrilled to happiness.
Yes. Ang maganda po, pag may pera kang sarili, nagagawa mo yung gusto. Hindi ka umaasa sa asawa.
Mango!
Hindi po ako umaasa sa kanya. Never. Kahit na po nung pinag-aaral ko lahat ng mga anak ko, lahat ng pinatadala kong pera sa kanila, pinaghirapan ko po lahat yun. Hindi ako humingi sa kanya. Sasabihin ko, magmamatrikula lahat yung mga anak ko. Tulungan mo naman ako, no? Pagka ako po ay may pagkakagastusan, iniipon ko na yun. Sa buhay namin dalawang magkasama, ilang beses, how many houses did we buy while we are together?
Several.
When I know that we are buying a house, I prepare the money that we need for the closing costs in my expense. Yes.
Right.
I don't have him spend anything. I spend my own money to buy houses, so he cannot point his finger to my face that I am spending his money. No, I'm not like that. Hindi po ako ganyan. Pag may gusto ako po ang gagastos. Honey, we need to buy a big house. Yes. And we did.
We did that.
We did. It's a big colonial. It's beautiful. But
Half an acre.
Half acre. But the thing, when it's snow days, we will go out to shovel our driveway. We are friends. We are happy. When we come back, he will throw the shovel in front of me. What's going on? You are cheating me. You are not shoveling your part. I am shoveling most of it. Madaya. Ako po, mapagbigay ako. Okay lang sa akin yun.
So you get there early?
Yes, thank you, honey. Hindi po ako pala sumbat. Ginawa ko sa ito, ginawa ko din po. Now, sometimes, I feel like I'm only his caretaker, not his wife. But it's okay. He knows it. That's why. He's forgiven. I forgive him. Pag ang tao at tinulungan ako, talaga pong gagawin ko lahat ng magagawa ko para napapasaya ko po siya, napapaginawa. Right now, he's having a problem, so I'm helping him dress himself, tying his shoes, or else our police neighbors will tie his shoes. Kaya, mahaba na ito. Samahan niyo po kami sa aming live stream Saturday morning 8 AM Philippines time. Nalaman nyo na naman ang part of history naming mag-asawa. You know, a part of the history about our finances.
Right.
I didn't know that the government is giving me pension. They included in his pension for 35 years. If that's only $100 a month, how much is that in 35 years? That's a lot of money. But it's okay, he didn't tell me. I just laugh it. Laugh. I think that's how it is.
I gotta make a left here.
Yes, I cannot change him. I married him like this, so I need to live with him.
Can't stay.
Okay, happy day, happy night, happy life, happy peaceful, healthy and blessed world to all. I love you all. God bless us all. Thank you for watching.